I want to connect doorbell. I have old doorbell here and a switch, so I'm going to connect how to connect a doorbell. Connect a common, that is from source, the power source, and then neutral, you connect it directly to the bell. And then the half of the bell, you connect it to the switch. Then the source, you connect your power source on. It's not that much complicated. Ready to go. It's that simple. Now you can put on your power and see. There you go. It is working correct. Thank you for watching.